For this Proxmox VE restore video, we'll show you two simple scenarios: how to restore a deleted or corrupted virtual machine to its original location, and how to do a granular restore for your Proxmox VE virtual machines. Let's begin by logging into your AMBaaS Web Management Console and proceed to the Manage Backup Sets page. Hover your mouse over the Proxmox Backup Set containing the virtual machine you intend to restore. Click the drop-down menu to select Restore, then click Run. As we only have one destination storage, only Ahsay Drive is displayed. The destination storage shows when the latest successful backup job was. Keep the default Proxmox server destination and leave Run Direct disabled. Click Next. Choose from Files as of job is selected by default, with the latest version of virtual machines and disks displayed. We'll use the latest version and select the target virtual machine. Before proceeding, let's first verify on the Proxmox server that the virtual machine we intend to restore does not exist. After confirming, go back to the AMBaaS web console and click Next. From the Restore Options page, you may rename or keep the default virtual machine name, then keep the default restore option, Restore as New Copy. Below, leave the storage settings on default. Click Restore to start the restore job. To monitor the progress, go to Homepage, click Live Activities, and open the Restore Status tab. After the restore job, open the restore report to verify that the virtual machine has been restored successfully. After confirming, open the Proxmox server to double-check if the virtual machine we selected was restored. We can confirm that the selected VM earlier has been successfully recovered. To further confirm, power on the virtual machine to confirm it boots successfully and the recovery is complete. While the previous example demonstrated how Ahsay allows you to restore your Proxmox virtual machines, let's move on to a granular restore. This feature allows you to recover specific files or folders from a Proxmox virtual machine without restoring the entire VM, saving you time in case of emergencies. Before proceeding, note that Ahsay OBM must be installed on a Windows machine to perform Proxmox Granular Restore. Log into Ahsay OBM using the credentials you use on AMBaaS Web Console. Click Restore. Select the Proxmox backup set you want to restore. Since we only have one backup destination, keep the default selection. Do the same for the restore mode. Restore individual files inside Virtual Machine or Granular Restore. Before proceeding, verify that the temporary directory is not located on the Windows system drive or a network drive. Also, the selected temporary directory will serve as the location where the data from the mounted drive can be restored from. Update if necessary. Click Next. Enter the encryption key to continue. If this is your first granular restore, you'll be prompted to install the Virtual File System or VFS driver. Click Install and wait for the installation to complete. Select the backup version to restore. Choose from Files as of job is selected by default. We'll keep the latest version selected. Select the virtual machine, expand it, and check if the virtual disk containing the data you intend to recover is under the selected virtual machine. Click Next. Choose a drive letter for the mounted disk. Click OK. Once the virtual disk has been mounted, click Browse to open it. Locate the file or folder you want to recover. You can preview the contents directly from the mounted drive and simply drag and drop the selected file or folder to your preferred local destination. Open the destination folder to verify that the selected data has been successfully restored. For a more in-depth restore demonstration for Proxmox VE using Ahsay Managed Backup-as-a-Service or AMBaaS, check out the link in the description below. If you want to learn how to secure your business and personal data, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Ahsay backup tips and insights.